Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. Make sure that you've got the internet connection as is required, and then let's tap on add account. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, up to you. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so let me quickly tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it and you will be able to check the information. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another section. You can check how much space you've got left. You can of course manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details, so what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because, as you can see, the charges may apply, so you don't want to pay for the backup. Here, to finish everything, we have to tap on backup now, and as you can see, after confirming it, of course, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.